if we see of not solving the flakiness, because when you start having a test that fails for no reason in a given time and passes for no reason also, the whole team and the company start to have lack of confidence in the tests that are put it in your pipeline or in your process. And that when you lose the confidence in tests, it's really, really hard to get it back. Like everything in life, right? When you lose confidence, it's really, really hard to get it back. So, and this is the hardest thing when you have these flaky tests. And I see a lot of persons just, I don't know, rerunning those until they passed, or using that pipeline run that have everything green and it's good, even if after the tests have failed, because they need to get things out of the door. But the lack of confidence is really, really hard to have. And like I said before, it will delay your deliveries, because if you are just waiting for the results to deliver something to production and you start to have some fails, some tests failing, some other not, you will see that the delivery will be delayed, and then you to have to remove those tests or treat them and do the manual validations or have another way of dealing with them. So the delay is something that will happen for sure. And it will cost you money, because your testers, your team will need to look at it. The maintenance of tests will be hard. The delivery, if it's delayed, will cost you money also. So it's everything that you don't want to happen. And of course, this is something that is really, really important. It will hide problems, because if you are believing that the test is flaky and the problem of the flakiness is the test, then you probably are hiding problems in architecture, in infrastructure, in the code itself. Because we will see that the flakiness happens, but it's not a problem with the test.